Hey friends, Dave here with Stahls, and you probably already know that a heat press is an incredible tool for printing custom t-shirts. But here's the truth, sticking to just t-shirts is probably one of the fastest ways to limit your growth and leave a whole bunch of money on the table. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to diversify your product lineup, boost your profits, and become your customers' go-to source for everything from bags to totes to workwear, accessories, and trending promotional products, all using the same heat press that you already own. Whether you are a brand new decorator or a seasoned print pro, you're gonna walk away confident and ready to expand what you offer. And we'll also be covering the tools and accessories and insider tips that you need to do it all with professional quality and the professional efficiency. Are you ready? Let's get right to it. So let's kick this off by talking about why you should be printing more than tees and apparel with your press. But right off the top, we have to mention the profit margins. When you add products like custom tote bags, outerwear, promo products, and accessories to your menu, you instantly open the door to higher average order values. Because people love bundling tees and matching promo accessories, bags, and so much more. Say that spirit wear order with matching stadium seats? Yes, please. Next, repeat business, especially with schools, teams, and businesses that want the complete branded package. They don't have to go to a whole bunch of different vendors, just you. And stronger customer loyalty, because you become that one-stop shop, suggesting relevant products to your customers and solving their needs. It allows you to become much more than just a transaction, but a problem solver for them. Now, in 2025, some of the fastest growing, most profitable products decorators are cashing in on include branded bags and totes. Now, these are great for events, fundraisers, and even retail shops. I don't know if you've noticed, but fanny packs are back in. Although we call them crossbody bags or hip packs to sound a little bit more stylish these days. They're always going to be fanny packs to me. Performance wear and workwear is another top seller. Think moisture wicking polos, safety vests, and soft shell jackets. Elevated premium styles just over your standard custom apparel. Think things like socks too, right? Custom socks you could easily decorate with your heat press. Another one, custom aprons and chef coats for restaurants. Now, if you're decorating for anyone in the hospitality industry, this is a huge opportunity for you. And the next one, pet apparel. Yes, custom dog hoodies are trending and offer some big profits for just about any industry. Any customers of yours maybe have a pet-friendly patio, the breweries, the restaurants? Yeah, a fantastic opportunity there. Now, also, team and fan accessories like stadium seats, rally towels, stadium bags, or even scarves and blankets. All easy and profitable to decorate with just your heat press. Another one that's absolutely timeless are the promotional products like laptop sleeves, coolers, and backpacks. But the good news is you don't need new equipment to get started decorating these items. You just need the right approach and a few smart accessories. Now, some of these items are super simple to just drop on your press, but to maintain efficiency, because time is money, right? We want to ensure that you could decorate these with quality and the confidence to go out and sell these. So we're gonna break it all down. Step one, master your interchangeable platens. Now, if you're only using the standard platen that came with your heat press, you're kind of working a little bit harder than you need to with many of these specialty or maybe smaller items. Now, interchangeable heat printing platens make loading and aligning these products so much easier, faster, keeping the seams, zippers, straps, and other obstructions off of your printing area, and allowing you to get those quality prints with direct-to-film transfers, screen print transfers, or even heat transfer vinyl. Now, here are the top platens apparel decorators just like you swear by. First up, the 6x10 platen. Now, this is perfect for printing left chest logos on polos, youth apparel, the tote bags, or even smaller garments where a large platen is going to get in the way or not allow you to really isolate that area with any buttons, collars, or seams getting in the way of your printing area. Next up, the 11 by 15 platen. Now this is the #1 top selling Hotronix platen, and it makes printing everything from bags to accessories and even hoodies an absolute breeze. With the smaller size, it's one of the most versatile platens available, still giving you that 11 by 15 inch print area. Another one that's often overlooked is the 7-inch round platen. Now, if you're doing a lot of bags, the pet apparel, blankets, or more, this is going to help you keep that print area flat and consistent for those pro quality prints. Now, when we mention platens, we have to talk about the tag-along platen. Now, I know we are talking everything other than t-shirts, but if we're talking about platens, this one is a serious game changer if you want to print the front of a t-shirt and the neck label all in one step. Almost better than that, it's actually really useful for easy alignment with the neck and shoulder shape here, making alignment an absolute breeze. And it's great for some of those promotional items too, but it's great for mostly t-shirts. It does require a full-size 16 by 20 press though, like this auto clam we have here, or any of the Fusion IQ presses. Now switching platens takes just seconds with a Hotronix press by just removing the lever right here on the right-hand side and lifting the platen up. And this alone is going to transform your workflow and improve your print placement accuracy and your production efficiency. Now, step 2 for success here is choosing the right transfers for every product. Not all heat transfers perform the same on different fabrics, with different art, or on different surfaces. So here are some of the most versatile, profit-packed options from Stahls that are going to cover almost any product that you want to offer. And #1 is, of course, the Ultra Color Max direct-to-film transfers. Now this is my #1 recommendation for full color designs or low quantity orders on everything from canvas totes to t-shirts, performance hoodies, and even coolers. They apply at a low temperature at just 290 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 seconds, which helps prevent scorching on those, say, heat-sensitive fabrics. Plus, they have amazing stretch and rebound and a soft feel for DTF prints. Next up, of course, goof-proof screen printed transfers. Now these are the fastest applying screen print transfer in the industry. They're perfect for cotton and cotton poly blends like those tote bags, right? In just 4 to 6 seconds, they are done and applied, fast as you could pull a squeegee with real screen printing, and they're made with the same inks. Now, if you're doing any higher volume orders like the workwear, rally towels, or say event merch, this one is going to be your go-to. Next up, CAD cut products like soft flock, soft foam, chroma twill, or even glimmer. Now these are great for raised dimension or specialty effects that shimmer and shine. Now HTV here is fantastic for any personalization, adding names or numbers, or giving you that specialty look that not many other decorators can do. Also, there's some options in there for nylon materials or even super low application temperatures for those very heat-sensitive items, and Ultra Weed CAD Cut is going to give you that ability, applying as low as 260 degrees. If you don't have a vinyl cutter, hey, no worries. Many of the CAD Cut lineup we will cut for you, so you receive ready-to-apply transfers without any of the cutting or weeding. Now I do want to mention a quick tip here. Always check the fabric content of the blank that you're printing on and set your heat press to the specific recommended time, temperature, and pressure for the transfer type that you are using. Step 3, master garment loading and print placement. We want to reduce those misprints, and loading your garment is everything from reducing those misprints to boosting your efficiency. Now, if your garment isn't flat and isolated from seams, straps, zippers, or other obstructions, you're going to end up with uneven pressure and poor adhesion on your print. So here's what to do. #1, you could thread your garment onto the platen whenever possible to separate the front and back layers of whatever you're printing and get that smooth, flat surface. That way, you're isolating exactly what you are printing. Now, the Hotronix Fusion IQ heat presses are absolutely awesome because they are fully threadable out of the box. Save for an auto clam or a max level press, a caddy stand is a must-have accessory. You could get the floor stand or even a tabletop variety that allow your press to be fully threadable. Now, for bags and accessories that don't fit over the platen, use one of those smaller platens I mentioned earlier, or position the item so that the area under the transfer and where you're printing is even free of seams or zippers, right? And that's why some of those platens I mentioned earlier are smaller in size, but equally as mighty for those items other than apparel that you're going to be printing. Now, of course, you could use a heat printing pillow, the blank sublimation mouse pads, or a print perfect pad to raise the print area when working with zippers, buttons, or thick seams. But if you're just doing a few pieces, mouse pads or pillows are totally going to work over, say, one of these interchangeable platens. But sliding that mouse pad or pillow inside your item every single time can be very time consuming on large orders and hurt your efficiency, effectively hurting your profits. And speaking of profits, step 4, we want to ensure that we are pricing for profit. Remember, these products aren't just add-ons, they're opportunities to charge more premium prices. So say a custom tote bag, cooler, or stadium seat that's going to cost you $3 to $4 blank can easily sell for $15 to $25 with a high quality print on it. Custom pet apparel is often priced higher than most t-shirts, and customers never bat an eye, right? All for the pooches. Workwear and uniforms often command premium pricing because businesses value durability and professional branding, and those professional styles are on trend right here. Another quick tip that I want to mention right here too is always factor in the extra time for any setup, platen changes, testing, or handling when you're pricing out these specialty items or jobs. So, before we wrap up, let's recap. To successfully expand beyond t-shirts, you need just a few key things. Number 1, the interchangeable platens are going to help you handle different products with confidence. And if you're just shopping for a heat press or maybe an upgrade or just getting started, look into a heat press with interchangeable platens. It matters so much for growing your business beyond t-shirts. Now, of course, we have to talk about transfers too. Versatile transfers like Ultra Color Max direct-to-film transfers, goof-proof screen printed transfers, or the entire lineup of CAD-cut heat transfer vinyl and twill transfers at Stahls make decorating any fabric an absolute breeze. And of course, proper loading helps guarantee professional results every single time. You can't build a business without consistent, predictable, and repeatable results. Also, we have to talk about clear workflows that help keep you efficient. Set up your heat press for each item or transfer and then group them together. Run all of your bags at one time and then run your tees in the next grouping. Swapping back and forth with platens or temperatures is just going to take too much time in production. And the last tip, let's price strategically to protect your profit margins. You're supposed to be making money with this, right? All right, so here is my challenge to you right here today. Are you ready for it? Pick one new product this week, whether it's tote bags or pet apparel or aprons, and start offering or advertising it to your customers. You're gonna thank me later. Now, if you're ready to get started, check out the links that we have in the description for all of the tools and supplies that we covered here today, or head on over to stahls.com to explore everything you need to decorate apparel and more. Remember, the heat press that you already have is more powerful than you think. All it takes is a little bit of confidence to diversify and the right tools for you to do it with precision and professional results. But as always, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe right here to the Stahls YouTube page for all of the heat printing tips, tricks, inspiration, and education that we're dropping every single week. And also, comment below if you think we missed any profit-packed items that you've been printing or selling to your customers. We love to keep the conversation going with apparel decorators and small businesses just like you. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.